In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 1440p on a 4K monitor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the process of setting up resolutions on a monitor and how to play 1440p resolutions if you have a 4K monitor. So for this example, I chose CS2, but this will apply for any game and any application. Keep in mind that while this is a common practice, depending on the monitor that you have, the resolution might not look great. When you play a game at 1440p on a 4K monitor, the monitor or your graphics card has to scale the 1440p image up to fit the 4K display. This process can significantly affect the image quality. If you would like to test this out for yourself, you don't need to do any sort of additional setup. Just open a game, go into the video settings, and if you are set to full screen windowed, usually you won't be able to change the resolution. So what you have to do is set it to either windowed or full screen. And now go to the 16:9 resolutions and you will be able to find them from here. So in this example, I have 2560 by 1440. So you set this here and you apply. Like I said, there's no secret to this. Because 1440p does not scale perfectly into 4K, the image can sometimes appear slightly blurry. But if you want to try it out, maybe to get better refresh rates or better frame rates, then you can do it like so. And it should be a default resolution. If it isn't and you need to edit it as a custom resolution, then you can either open up the NVIDIA control panel. So you right click your desktop, go into the NVIDIA control panel, change resolution, and then customize a new resolution from here. Then you can enter any value, for example 2560 by 1440 or any other 1440p resolution that you would like to use. And once you create the custom resolution, it will appear inside of the game. The same thing can be done through the AMD software. So you go to the settings, click on the display category, and then under custom resolutions, you can create a custom one, such as 2560 by 1440. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 1440p on a 4K monitor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.